trade we have captured more than 2000 pips. In total we captured nearly 2600 pips. On Monday, price was simply consolidating. Gold really wants to move higher. It would have swept these lows. Signal providers, all the retailers were bullish because of the war news. But technically the chart was telling us completely a different story. But the lows were completely protected. None of the major lows are swept. The low remains untouched. Bearish candle dropped and suddenly started bullish again, and it almost recovered 100% of the move. You can see the market is continuously dropping and recovering almost 90%. It is dropping and almost recovering 90%. Now let me explain you why we have took this trade. Hi, I'm the owner of HFT Live. As you can see on the chart, where the market has dropped from 4992 on March 18th. We have already sent this sell trade live on gold on our Telegram channel. Okay. And clearly you can see we have captured more than 2000 pips on this trade. On this trade we have captured more than 2000 pips. In total we captured nearly 2600 pips on this move. Now let me explain you why we have took this trade. This trade has included some beautiful concepts from so many beautiful advanced trading concepts, like they have combination of liquidity and psychological trap and smart money traps included. So I'll explain you everything in a detailed manner with a slow explanation. As you can see, these trades are already posted on copy trading also, and we always send signals like this: 600 pips, 700, and also we have a MyFX book link. You can check all the trades here. All these trades make 600, 700. We also send 800 pips trades every single day. Each day we send these kind of trades. Okay, so moving back to the chart, I will explain you. Right now you can see in a 1 hour time framing. If you observe carefully, the market opened on Monday. Price was simply consolidating. Here you can see the price is simply consolidating. There was no strong breakout or no major hike or major low was swept. Now understand this clearly. If gold really wanted to move higher, it should have swept the lows. So here, right, it should have swept the lows below this. If gold really wants to move higher, it would have swept these lows on the Monday morning or Tuesday open. It would have swept these and pushed strongly upside, right? But that didn't happen. Instead, the market stayed in a consolidation, which already tells us something is literally wrong. At the same point, if you notice the sentiment, everyone, including all the signal providers, all the retailers, were bullish because of the war news and the fundamentals. But technically the chart was telling us completely a different story. As you can see, the market is bearish here. The last week was completely bearish, and the market is overall bearish. There is no bullish scenario here. But technically, now look here, all the lows are protected. Okay, none of the major lows are swept. This low was broken and it strongly resisted this area. Okay, so this is a strong low, but the lows were completely protected. None of the major lows are swept. But on the upside, if you see here, I will go on a 15-minute time frame and explain you. After the Monday open, here the Monday opens and we just see all the lows are protected. But if you see, this swept, this another liquidity swept and came back, and then it gave another sweep. Okay, after that you can see high swept and drop, the high swept and drop, and again you can see the high swept and drop, but the low remains untouched for such a long time. For 3 days of duration, all the lows are protected. What does this mean actually? It means the market was eliminating sellers, the early sellers, and inducing buyers into the market. It actually taking out the sellers, sell and drop, sweep high and drop, sweep high and drop, the high swept and drop, and again here the high swept and drop. Okay, so it's eliminating the sellers and inducing buyers into the market. Very clean smart money trap. This is a sweet smart money trap, and we have multiple equal lows, almost like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this creates huge liquidity to the downside, and once liquidity builds like this, market intentions becomes very clear. It wants to grab that liquidity and move down aggressively. So at this exact zone, we identify this is a trap setup, and we have took a sell position here. Okay, they have taken a sell position. Okay, and we have targeted around 700 pips, and this trade is already posted live. Okay, this was posted like 10 minutes before the move happened. Okay, 10 minutes is enough to actually enter a trade, and also posted in all my copy trading accounts. Okay, leave that apart. But the once the market I will start the replay. See, I'll explain you some more thing here once I observe this. Yes, after the sell move started, the trap didn't end here. Okay, even after the drop started, the market make fake bullish moves on lower time frames. Let's go to a 1 minute lower time frame, and I'll explain you why. After the move started, even after the drop started, the market gave a bullish move on the lower time frame. As you can see, it swept the lows, and instantly this is a sudden candle, this is a sudden bullish bearish candle drop, and suddenly it started bullish again, and it almost recovered 100% of the move. This complete move is recovered in 100% instantly. So this is where the psychology comes in. Most traders saw this bullish candle and thought, okay, this is just a manipulation, this is just a SL hunting. All the smart money traders, ICT traders think, okay, this is just a SL hunting. So they started buying again on the pullbacks. Okay, they just buy on this pullback. Okay, they just try to buy on this pullback, and you know what happens? The market just moves and instantly takes all the liquidity, and you can see the market is continuously dropping and recovering almost 90%. It is dropping and almost recovering 90%. So you need to understand the market in reality. The market was inducing buyers and eliminating the sellers at the same point of time, and pushing lower and lower with strong liquidity. Okay, this is the perfectly engineered trap trading setup. This is a perfect engineered trap, okay, by the market. A complete sell side manipulation followed by a strong bullish move. This is exactly the kind of setups we actually share on our Telegram channel. We don't give random signals. We focus on only high profitable, high probability trades, clean risk management, clear targets, 500 pips, 700 pips. No confusion like moving SL after 40 pips. moving your stop loss. No, we just hold the entries with a stop loss and a take profit. Simple. Not confusing any of our traders to move their stop losses every now and then. That's not what we do. That's not we do, because that's not real trading. That's just creating an illusion. With us, you get a proper entries, clear logic, real-time execution, and trades that can also be automated into your MT5 accounts. If you understand these kind of concepts deeper, let me know. I'll break down everything step by step in upcoming videos, so you can actually learn how to catch this 700 pips, 600 pips gold moves continuously. Because at HFT Live, we also give you knowledge, we teach you the strategy, and also provide you the signals. Most people just teach you courses, they teach you some strategies, but they never able to analyze in a live market and provide you live market updates. If someone is not able to provide you live market updates, that means he's not trading live. He doesn't know how to trade in a live market. He just know how to explain in a back testing playback screen. That's it. That's not what we do. We given this trade, that's why I'm explaining you. Okay, so we teach what we understood about the market. We don't teach what happened few years ago in the market. Okay, that's all a trap. Okay, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful content. And if you're serious about trading, join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description.